Introducing the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, a mid-range master packed with flagship features. Experience the intersection of premium durability and professional performance. Key features include a 1.5K Curved AMOLED display with 3000 nits, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and an IP68 rating for durability. It also features a 50 megapixels Light Hunter 850 megapixels telephoto camera powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 with a 6200 mAh silicon carbon battery. The phone offers top-tier durability with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and IP68 dust and water resistance. This means submersibility protection, delivering TUV SUD 5-star rated durability. Enjoy the 1.5K visual canvas with a stunning 3000 nits peak brightness for uncompromised visibility. The display offers 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+. The primary imaging is handled by the 50 megapixels Light Hunter 800 sensor. It features OIS for steady shots and a large sensor architecture for superior low-light intake, delivering clarity that rivals professional gear. Go beyond the crop with the 50 megapixels telephoto sensor. This is a rarity in this segment, offering true optical zoom without loss of detail. The device also includes an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 20 megapixels front camera. Powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, this device offers 4 nanometers process efficiency. With clock speeds up to 2.5 GHz and up to 12 GB RAM/512 GB storage, it is optimized for sustained performance and handles high-setting gaming sessions. The Endurance King boasts a 6200 mAh silicon carbon plus solid electrolyte battery. This high-density technology is packed into a slim profile, and with 90W fast charging, it reaches 100% in approximately 25 minutes. The complete experience includes Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and in-display fingerprint sensor security. Connectivity includes 5G, Bluetooth, and an infrared IR blaster. The verdict: mid-range redefined. Key highlights are IP68 and Victus 2 durability, 50 megapixels telephoto optics, and the 6200 mAh silicon carbon power. This device offers flagship specs without the premium price.